Hello, this is your girl Eveline Sophie, and today I'm super excited about this topic that I'm about to talk to you about. Today we're going to be talking about how to find your dream partner, how to find your soulmate through dating. So, how do you get to find the one, the person that's supposed to be your dream partner? So, I have some tips for you today, at least four of them that I'm going to provide on this video. I'll just go ahead and get right into it. The first tip will be purposeful about your dating. So, a lot of people are just doing try and error and going to like dating website and just trying to see if they can get someone, not really being focused and purposeful. What do I mean by being purposeful? What I mean is be intentional. Like, let's say you really want to get married. Your goal is to find a soulmate or partner that you guys can get married. Make sure you get that out there. Like, put it on your profile. Like, I'm looking for my soulmate or I'm looking for my partner, instead of, oh, I'm single, and you and you don't really specify if you want to get married or not. So a lot of people will be wondering, why will you have to put it out there that you want to get married? Aren't you going to scare the men that will come to you? Hell no. A real man that wants to get married will not get scared. So it's a good thing because you're definitely going to scare the wrong people and then, of course, attract the right person. Remember, you just want one soulmate. You're not looking for a bunch of people to waste your time. So be purposeful. Let them know that this is your intention and put it out there. Now let's get to the second tip. The second tip will be alignment with what you want. So for example, I would say put a love list, like a list of things that you really feel attracted from a partner. What kind of partner are you looking for? Are you looking for someone with a good job, very fit body, someone who is a provider that would like to provide and things like that? Whatever you're looking for, write it down and make sure that what you're looking for is not coming from a place of wounded energy. What do I mean by wounded energy? Maybe something that you're deprived as a child, and now that's the reason why you want something like this. Like maybe as a child you had a partner that you had a parent that was not providing love or wasn't there for you. Now you one of your criteria is your partner has to be present for you. Well, it's a good idea, but it shouldn't come from that energy. It should come from the energy that you really desire someone that you guys can spend time with, you guys can go hang out with, and you guys can do a lot of fun together. Not that this was not something I had when I was growing up and now I need it because this is what I require someone to be. So I hope that's clear. So make sure you write down what you really want and be alignment with what you want. And then another example will be, if let's say you want to get married, speak it. When you ask, are you in a relationship? No, but I'm looking for one. Don't be like, oh no, I'm single and I'm happy and I'm okay. When you know deep down that you really want a partner that you can love and stay together and live your happily ever after. So always be in alignment with what you want. Another example, this one I got from Steve Harvey. Remember he said, some girls, they'll put on their love list they want someone with six pack, but they don't even go to the gym. So don't go and say, oh, I want someone that's very fit, athletic, when you yourself you're not, or you're not a match for that. Another one will be make sure that you're someone that can receive what the partner can give. For example, if you want a provider, are you the one that can receive from a man? A lot of people are not good at receiving. I used to be that person where they always feel self-sufficient. They don't really think they need a man. They want to do everything by themselves and show how they're powerful and stuff. it's good actually in our society right now to kind of get away with a lot of stuff, but when it comes to dating and your relationship, you want to be in your feminine energy. You don't want to be the one showing how strong and powerful you are, because of course you're not going to be of any use to your man. So that's what it is. And then let's move to the third point that I have here. That will be when you actually go out on a date with your dream partner or someone that you finally agree to go out on a date with, try to be present. It is such a difficult thing for some people to be present. I am that person. I am always distracted. And what do I mean by being present? Being present is actually dropping into your body and actually feeling how and experiencing how you feel. For example, if I'm at a date, I instead of me kind of interrogating the man, asking about his job and things like that, and making him feel in his being his masculine, and not like being a masculine energy, but actually feeling like he's on an interview. I would rather just be present and enjoy the music, enjoy the food, smell the food, taste the food. I mean, really drop into your body and stay present and feel how you feel. If you are with the right partner, your body is definitely going to feel different. If it's someone that your body is rejecting, you will know right away. You get that intuition. We're all women, we get those intuitions. So when you're with your partner, be present, try to express your feelings. Stop interviewing him as if he's in a job interview, or if it's a competition, or stop arguing with him. I mean, I'm someone that loves to argue, but if I decide to be in my feminine energy, I won't be confrontational. I would rather just relax and enjoy the moment and express yourself. Don't be a doormat. Actually express yourself how you feel. So that's the third point. And then the last one will be let him chase you. So evolutionarily, men are always the chaser, not the women, not the woman. I know society has actually changed lately and women are chasing men. However, you want to do something that you know you can sustain in your relationship if you guys get married, because when you start doing the chasing as partner, as while you're dating, guess what? You're going to continue that process even when you get married. And if that's something you want, good for you. But I, for one, I wouldn't want to be chasing my man. So let your man chase you. There's so many things that we do that we don't realize it, that we're chasing our men. For example, let's say you guys are going out on a date. You get to pick where you want to go. That's you chasing him. Not like chasing him, but that's you already making the decision for him. And then you, instead of him picking you up, you get to go pick him, or you decide to accept to go to a place where it's closer to his house than your place. So those are some small minute things that you might just think, oh, this is just one date, I'll compromise and just go to where it's closer to him. But remember, he hasn't really put that much effort in the date. You did put a lot of effort, so make sure that he's always putting more effort than you are. That way there's a polarity. He's chasing you. There's so many other examples, I can't think of them right now, but as I said, try to relax, be in your body, and let him come for you if he really wants to. Because if he cannot prove that he can come chase you, then for sure he's not the right partner for you. You don't want to start something that in the middle you're going to not want to keep up with it. So those are my 4 tips on how to find your soulmate. First one, be purposeful. Make sure you're you're dating with an intention. The second one, be in alignment with what you want and make your list of what you want. Make sure you're looking for the right make sure the things you're looking for it for the right reason. And then the third one will be present when you're on a date. Try to be present. Then the last but not the least is let your man chase you. Don't be the one chasing him. Thank you, and I hope you had fun watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. growwealtheasy.com is my website. I do one-on-one coaching on relationship. I'm also a life coach, and I'm a realtor in the DFW area. Thank you, and have a blessed day. Bye.